So hey, this is the detailed tutorial of Fluensio in which we are gonna learn how to navigate and use Fluensio in mobile. So in case you guys don't know, Fluensio is an AI powered content creation and workflow management platform for content creators and content teams, and it basically makes content creation 10x faster and easier. So first of all, we go to app.fluensio.com/login and we land on this login page. So basically we have the sign up section here. So if we don't have an account on Fluensio, we'll enter our email here and sign up. Either we can also continue with Google from here, right? And if we already have an account, we will click here like login, and then this login section will open up and we'll enter our email and password and login from here. If you don't remember your password, you can just click here and it will send a verification code to your email. Just enter that and reset your password. You can also continue with Google from here. So let's go back to sign up section. I'll enter my email here and quickly create an account. So now we'll enter the verification code that we have got in our email and set a strong password, confirm the password and check here and click on create account. So after signing up, we'll land on this content preferences page. Here we'll basically describe our content type, our target audience and the relevant keywords about our content in detail so that the AI could generate the best possible output for us. So the better you describe your preferences here, the more better the output, and you'll also get some examples here like what should these look like. So I'll quickly just fill this up and click on save. So after saving the preferences, we'll land on this is the main dashboard. So basically this is the ideas page, and here we can create our ideas manually or with AI. So this is the search bar and this is the filters. So we can apply some filters. We can search the ideas by title to filter out the results, and this is basically the tab switcher. We can click here and go into different categories. Here the ideas for long form will appear. When we click here, our ideas for short form videos will appear here, and same for these both categories. This button is for downloading the PDF of your ideas table for a specific category. And when we'll first land on this page, we'll obviously have no ideas, right? So let's create our first idea. We can just click here or here, doesn't matter. We'll select our category, like whether it's an idea for short form or long form, and we'll enter our idea. As we can also see, the examples are also given if you are confused like what the term means. So basically this is just the idea for your video, like what you want to post. So let's just write random idea for now and click on save. So as we can see, the idea has been saved for short form videos. So basically if I click on view, so I can just view the details for this idea, like category, created as, status. And the status is very important thing, right? So there are three types of status: draft, in progress and posted. And the same status, like the status which the idea has, the same status will reflect on its children's script and metadata, which I'll show you in some minutes. So whenever you want to update the status, just click here, more actions, edit idea, and you can edit the status from here, like in progress or whatever you want. So let's just do it at draft for now. And please don't get confused, this idea is for short form videos, right? If I go here on long form videos, the table would be still empty because we do not have any idea for the long form video. The idea was for short form video. So this is how we write an idea manually. Like for example, an idea strikes in my mind suddenly, right? So I can just click here and write the idea and save it in case so I don't forget it. And even if I have old ideas which I do not have in Fluensio, right? So I can just click here and input those from here. And the more ideas you save in Fluensio, the better the output of AI will get. So after coming on this page, we'll select a category, which categories idea we want to generate for. Then we'll select a generation mode, generate a single idea or generate multiple ideas at once, it generates 5 ideas together. In free plan you can only select this mode, and this mode is for paid plans, right? So the mode is pre-selected. I'll just click on generate idea and the generation would start. I can also give some specific context and instructions if I want, AI should follow that. So in most cases we don't really need this, so let's just click on generate and the generation has started. So as we can see, the AI has generated our idea. Now I can just click here save Otherwise, if I don't like the idea, I can click on regenerate and we will generate idea again. You can also click here after saving this and regenerate more ideas if you want and have the daily AI idea generation limit left. So let's just save it and go back. So now we have 2 ideas for short form videos. So let me just show you once how the filter works. So for example, I need to search an idea, right? I'll search random, so the idea will come up. And these filters, like for example, I want to filter ideas for a specific status, like I only want to see ideas that are in progress. So I'll select it and see we have no idea here because the no idea exists for in progress status, right? So I'll just clear the filters, and I hope you understood like how the filters work. So now we'll go to the scripts page, like we'll click here. So again, the dashboard is quite similar, like because we do not have any script right now, so we are seeing this. So we again, we can, there are three ways to create scripts actually. First, the manual way. So we'll click here on new script button. We'll select a category, and the category which we select, like the ideas for that particular category, will start appearing here, and the ideas without a script will appear here, right? So like we do not have any script for these 2 ideas right now, so that's why we are seeing these 2, and these are for short form videos, and short form videos is selected, so these are appearing here, right? I hope you understand. So we can also search the ideas from the search bar and also apply filters right here if we want to filter these results, right? So right now we only have 2 ideas, so these doesn't make enough sense, right? Let me just show you, like if I select any other category, it will say that we do not have any idea under this category, right? So please be careful. So now we'll select an idea like for which we want to create the script, right? So I'll select, for example, I want to make a script for this idea. So an idea basically means video, right? So please don't get confused. So let's just click on create new script. And now we are here on the script editor page, like we can write our script manually here. We can also write the script in markdown, right? So like example is already given, like styling using headings, italics, bold, everything we can do right here. And if we want to check the formatting, like how the text is being formatted, we can click here and we can see the formatting of our text. So yeah, we can just write our video script here and click on save, and the script would get saved. This button, like we can view the details for script. So basically this is just the idea of the script, right? The parent idea for this children's script. So basically the script title is nothing but the idea for the video, like the idea which we selected when we created this script. The category, it's the same as the ideas category. Status would be same as the idea status. So for example, I updated the idea to in progress, so we'll also see in progress here, and if I updated the idea to posted, we'll see posted here. And this is the more actions button, like here we would have all of the actions like edit script, delete script, download, copy, generate with AI, everything, right? We only have 2 actions here because this is the new script page, like we haven't created a script yet, so that's why the actions are less. So now let's just go back, click here. This is the second way to generate script, which is through AI. So again, this is very similar, no change here. We'll just select the idea for which we want to create the script and click on generate script. So this is the page like for AI generation of the script. We can give additional context and instructions to AI. If again, though it's not needed much, we'll simply click on generate script and the generation would start. We'll click on continue. So as we can see, the generation has started. Okay, so as we can see, the AI has generated the script for us. Now if we like the script, we can just click here save, and if we don't like the script, we can just simply regenerate it, right? So the script would be gone, and we'll again have that instructions and context interface, and we can simply click on generate again. And yeah, a regeneration would consume 1 regeneration credit, and I'll explain you the whole credit system of the app in a separate video. So let's simply just click on save and save the script. Now we are on the view script page, like basically we can view the script of our video from here, and as you can see, we have now all of the actions. Yeah, so regenerate script basically means like we can regenerate the script anytime, whether it was manually written or generated with AI, right? So you can click here and regenerate the script with AI anytime. And these are some other useful actions. So let us just go back. And the third way to create script now is called the hybrid approach, which basically means you first generate the script with AI, then you edit the script, right? You just pick up the points from the script which AI has given, and you write the script on your own, in your own way, right? That's the best and recommended approach. So though the script which AI generates, it learns your style, like as you keep on saving scripts here, right? The AI would start learning your language, your style of scripts, right? So it would adapt to that, but still it is recommended that you generate the script with AI first, pick up the points and write it in your own way. That would be the best output, I guess. And yeah, one more important thing is that the ideas which AI generates, like it analyzes your past content ideas and content preferences, and then it generates further, right? So the AI basically learns your style, your content style, and then it generates the output. There's also one switch to turn this thing off, which I'll show you in some minutes. So this is the post page. So the thing is similar, right? But this is not useful for many of us. It was basically for social media agencies or people like who post static visuals, I mean photos, on Instagram or Facebook. So now we'll go to the metadata page. The metadata basically means like the caption for video for Instagram basically, and the title, description and tags. So the group of these four items is together called metadata. So again, this is very similar, no change. We can create the metadata again in three ways: manually, with AI, and hybrid. And the recommended approach for metadata is with AI, right? So hybrid is also good approach, but the recommended approach for generating metadata would be to generate it with AI. So if I click on new, again this is super similar, no change. We'll select the idea for which we want to create the metadata, click here, and we can write these four manually ourselves and save it. And we can copy any of the item by clicking here. So again, this is like just the details button, the more actions button. We'll simply go back, and like if I click here, select an idea, click on generate, this is the same page again. We can give instructions, additional instructions and context, and if we do not want to give, which is not needed, we'll simply click here and the generation would start. So as we can see, the AI has already generated it. We can click on save or regenerate. Again, if we regenerate it right, it would consume one regeneration credit. So for now, let's simply save it. And this is the view metadata page. Now here we have all of the actions, and we can copy this stuff, and let's just simply go back. So now we have two ideas, one script and one metadata, right? So whenever like now you are gonna post your video or stuff, you'll simply click on view and copy the individual items. Like for example, I am posting a reel on Instagram, right? I'll just copy it and paste it in Instagram at the upload time. And this is the menu button. Like when we click this, the menu would open up. So now let's go to the trash page. So the trash page is also very similar. The deleted items get stored here. Like for example, if we delete scripts, metadata, ideas, so these would appear here. So now instead of categories, we have like switching between items. So here we would see all of the deleted ideas. If I click here, we would see all of the deleted scripts, and so. And for filtering them by category, like if we want to see items for a specific category, we have an extra filter here, so we can sort them with category also. So the items in trash get deleted after 30 days automatically, and you can restore any item or delete permanently any item anytime with that more actions button, like when the items would start appearing here. So you can just like click on more actions button and either delete that or restore that. So now let's go to settings page. So basically from here you can switch between light theme and dark theme. Let's just stay on light theme for now. These are the email notification permission. Like if I turn this on, so I can receive product updates. Let's just keep it off for now. And this one is a very important permission. Basically it's on by default, and it means like AI would analyze your past data, right? So whenever it generates script or ideas for you, it would analyze all of your past data, like your previous saved ideas, previous saved scripts, etc. So generally this is recommended, like being on, never turn this off. But if you like want like AI should not analyze your past data and generate fresh content, so you can just turn this off. So let's just keep it on here. And these are the content preferences which we set at the sign up time. So basically we can just update these anytime. Just make the changes here and click on continue. This button should actually say save instead of saying continue. It's actually just a bug and this would be solved by tomorrow. And by clicking here, like a model opens up which basically says like if we want to delete our account, deleting account will permanently delete your account from a database and all of your content like ideas, scripts, metadata, everything. So now we go to the billing page. It's very important page. So basically first we can see the details about our current plan here, like our plan name, billing cycle, cost, the plan valid until, it basically means our plan will expire after this. The benefits of our plan. So basically if you're on a free plan, this doesn't matter at all. It just means that you get your new credits. You can click here, like if you want to upgrade your plan, you'll just go to the pricing page and compare all of our plans, right? And simply just check out from there. And now below we have this usage section which tells like how much credits and all we have used for this month, and these limits are daily limits. These refresh every day at 12 a.m. So we'll explain these in a separate video, but still if you want to read them you can just come here down and read these, right? So the definitions are given with examples. These are explained in super detail, where are regeneration credits, idea credits and all, right? And this pie chart just shows like total ideas count, like how many total ideas you have created and across which categories. So as we only have short form video ideas, so like this whole is pink right now. And this is the payment history section. When we upgrade our plan, so like all the payment history would be appearing here. We can download the receipts of successful payments from here, right? And when you click this, you'll simply go to help page. So now let's go to the help page. So on the help page we have the same FAQs as the billing and usage page, so we can just read these if we want. And if we are still stuck, right, we can send the support team a message from here. The email and name is pre-filled by default. You can also change this if you want, right? So the name and email is pre-filled by default and you can also change it if you want. So just type in the message here and click on send message, and our support team will contact you as soon as possible. So if you want to log out, just click here, and if you click here on upgrade plan, you'll go to the pricing page. And now let's go to the profile page. So this is our profile page. If we click here, we can change our profile picture. We can edit our name by clicking here. This is our email and this is the FMID, right? So FMID basically means it's a unique ID which helps our support team identify you, right? So whenever you contact our support team and the team asks for your FMID, you can just copy it from here and give it to them. And again, you can also update your content preferences from here as well, like you can update them from settings and profile page, both. So now we have this billing information, and this is used at the checkout time. So whenever you would purchase a paid plan, you would just fill this information there on the checkout page itself and save it for later, so that you don't have to fill it again and again. And you can also change it and update it from the profile page. So now we are on the pricing page and we can compare all of our plans. So these two are overlapping. This is also a bug which would get solved soon. You can compare all the plans here, right? And below we have some important FAQs which you can read. They are very helpful, and these are the links to our policies. And yeah, the prices are currently in Indian rupees, and we'll soon update the payment system so that you can see the prices in your own country's currency. So let's click on here and go to the checkout page. So this is our checkout page. So basically this is the order summary section. We'll have all of the summary of the order, like the plan name, plan price, subtotal, discounts and taxes if applicable, and the total, right? And this is the contact information. This is basically your email, your account's email. You cannot change it, and the receipt and important account updates would go to this email. And now we have that billing information. Basically we'll fill this up, and after filling it, we can just check it, like save this information for later so that you don't have to enter it again and again. And now below we have the complete payment section. Razorpay is the only method for now. We'll soon integrate other payment methods like Stripe as well. We will click here and check this agreement and click on complete purchase. So again we have these links to our policies here, And by clicking purchase, like a secure Razorpay window will open up to complete your payment, and from there you can choose your preferred payment method like card, UPI, whatever, and complete the payment. And once the payment is completed, you would go to the success page, the thank you page, and from there you can download your receipt. You can also download the receipt from payment history section in billing page anytime, and you can just simply go to the dashboard after that. So yeah, this was it, and I hope now you have understood how to use Fluensio in mobile. If you still have any doubts or problems, you can just contact me on Instagram or comment down below. We'll be happy to help you. So yeah, that was it, and stay tuned for coming videos. Take care. Bye bye.